Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm out in the woods by the cabin. The snow kind of foiled my plans. I wanted to work on the roof today, but we got a couple inches of snow and everything's really slippery, so I'll have to wait for a better day for that. But today I figured I would cut in a window. As long as I brought a window out. It's an old salvage window. I got it from my buddy Craig. It's a small, I forget, he said it was a small window. I don't remember what part of the house he got it from, but it's gonna work, and it's gonna be perfect for this because I'm gonna put it on the end of the building that faces north, and actually it should help light the stairway. Hang on, I got four-wheelers here. Let's see if we can get some video of them. Yep, they actually have a poker run today. They have an ATV poker run today. So the river ice will be busy probably. They sure make a lot of noise. I'm sure they have a good time. What I did, or what I plan on doing, is putting this window in. And this window is going to help light. The staircase going up. It's going to be like a tiny home staircase, but of course it won't do it at night, but I mean obviously during the day. It's going to face north. It's a small window, so as you can see, it's been refurbished, or been salvaged, I should say, and we'll try to make it fit, and I'll clean it up a little bit, and it should be fine. This is a cabin, so, but it'll be nice to have, this window done anyway. It's also going to give me an idea how to do it. Don't have it 100% figured out, but I'm going to cut my hole. It's going to be 4 inches too big, obviously. We'll put in two 2x4s to support the wall. These are in temporary to hold it. So, but anyway, sit back and I guess we'll see what happens. So. I don't recommend doing that unless you're really handy with a chainsaw. So take that into consideration. I'm not that handy, but I guess I'm handy enough. pretty decent, I guess, for a free window. Now it's actually only in temporary. I can pull out the trim and glue it all in, and that's what I will do. Just take out these 4 screws and these 2 here, and then you can get right at the window again, and then I'll glue it in and seal it up good so it has, you know, a good pretty much like a good seal. So, and of course, now I can actually start chinking some of this because I know what I'm going to have. It seems like the logs have dried out, so now that I can start chinking it, we can be good with that. So, at any rate, though, thank you for joining me. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you again in the future.